Welcome to this instruction for installing electric foil underfloor heating. Start with a clear plan. Determine which rooms you want to heat and where the thermostat will be placed. Check that you have the correct dimensions and specifications of the heating foil. In addition, measure the resistance of the underfloor heating with a multimeter and note down the measured values. Then clean the floor thoroughly, making sure it is flat and free of any unevenness, and remove the old floor covering. Next, lay the underlay. This should be a suitable insulation layer that prevents heat loss and provides at least 1.5 millimeters of leveling. We use a 7 millimeter underlay as standard for a stable base. After that, roll out the heating foil according to the instructions. Cut the foil where needed, but never cut through the cable. Place the mat back in the next strip and seal everything you cut with aluminum foil tape. Make sure the strips lie flat and do not overlap each other to prevent overheating. Seal all seams with aluminum foil tape so that everything becomes one whole. Then secure the outer edges with duct tape to keep everything neatly in place. Next, test the entire system. Check the resistance and measure the voltage with a multimeter before laying the floor finish. For the electrical connection, always have a certified electrician connect the foil to the power supply. Only once everything is functioning correctly can you lay laminate, carpet, vinyl, or click PVC, provided it is suitable for underfloor heating. Please note, in some cases, a heat-permeable underlay is required between the foil and the final floor covering. Thank you for following this instruction.